hear me out on the amount or quality of labels is directly related to how organized a space stays. Over labeling has helped keep the majority of the home organized because we remove the question or the burden that the one person who organized it is the only one that knows where everything goes. So labels don't need to be super fancy. You can just use a label maker. You can print off, the return address labels that you can get, at any home office supply store. You can print those off in Word or Excel and then label your space. That's a super easy way to create labels. You can get a vinyl cutting machine. You can buy things off of Amazon that are pretty labels. Whatever it is, you just need to think through who is going to be using these labels. Like, what is the purpose of the label? Like, do you want your teenagers to be able to read it and know where it goes? Are you looking for aesthetic when it comes to the label? Think about the purpose of the label. And then from there, figure out what type of label would benefit you in your home to keep things organized. For young kids in their playrooms, in their bedrooms, using pictures, real pictures, not like the cartoony, using real pictures help immensely. I like taking out a couple of toys from a bin, laying them out in front of, like a window or a sliding glass door to get like a lot of natural light. Take the picture over the toys and then print that off and use that as your picture label for the kids so they know exactly what goes in that bin. And then you're going to think about where you want the labels to go. So you might, having the labels strategically placed in a drawer on drawer organizers, perfect. In bedroom drawers, you can put them on the outside of drawers in bedrooms. It really doesn't matter as long as the label has a purpose and is functional for that purpose.